So today we are going to be forced out of the hostel because I had slept almost after 24 hours. And what is more comfortable than a t-shirt and a baggy pants? I haven't slept. Sunday doesn't Sunday until and unless you sleep in. But I have a theory. When you're feeling low, lost in the dark, and all hope seems to be falling apart. Just remember there's a spark inside of you, a fire burning bright, waiting to break through. Yeah. Rise up, illuminate, let your spirit soar. You're a shooting star, forever so much more. Don't you let the world dim your glowing light. Let an inspiration ignite your inner fire. Hey Inspirers, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are going to be forced out of the hostel for the day. Actually not forced out, but I'm overselling it. We have pest control in our hostel, and because of that we have to stay out for the whole day. So you guys are going to be joining me, and let's begin the vlog. Good morning. So it is 5:15 right now, and no, I have not woken up so early. I haven't slept because a lot is happening. First, I'm not able to sleep, and the reason for that is there are bed bugs in my hostel and they have gotten into my room, and I can't sleep with them biting on me. And these bed bugs only come out in the night. So my whole cycle has been disturbed, and that is why I am awake this early in the morning. So right now I'm just going to get freshened up. I'm going to brush my teeth and wash my face because I have to stay out of the hostel for the whole day. So I've washed my face and now I'm ready to start the day. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start my workout. I haven't been working out for I guess 2 months now, but as it today is 2nd of December and I have decided that I'm going to start working out from today rather than waiting for the new year to come. I wanted to start from the first, but first was Sunday, and obviously Sunday doesn't Sunday until and unless you sleep in. So I didn't work out yesterday, and now I'm going to go work out for a while and then get everything ready. I did a very small workout today because I was working out after quite a while, and also I had to stay out for the whole day with no sleep, so I decided that the workout should be small. And also, for me to get out of my sleepiness, I decided to do a little bit of meditation for like 5 minutes, and then I did face yoga and gua sha, which I do every day. So I'm done with my workout and everything, and I had gone to take a shower, but the bathrooms are closed still because it's just 6 o'clock and the warden will go and open them now. So I've called home and now I'll go check if they are open. And I'm so sorry for the dark because all the lights in the hostel are closed. So I'll go take a quick shower. I also need to wash my hair today, and I'll see you after I'm ready. So I'm done getting ready. I have also done a little bit of something, if you can see, because I had a bit of time before I can start cleaning up my room, because everything needs to be kept in place and all the food items, everything should be covered as the chemicals shouldn't go inside. But I have a theory. The reason that I haven't slept yesterday is because I think, this is my theory, that the bedbugs can understand that they are going to die, and there is pest control, and that is why the whole night yesterday the bedbugs were having a party. Literally every 5 minutes I had to switch on my flashlight, and I would find at least 2 to 3 bedbugs in one place. So that is why I didn't sleep yesterday. So now that everything is done, I will start getting ready. I have to change, I have to pack my bag because I think I'll study when I'm outside, because the whole day we have to stay outside, like from 9 o'clock till at least at least till 4. So that is what I am planning to go and study. Also, I have recently bought this mic, and let me know in the comments below if you can find any difference, and how do you prefer my videos, uh, on the normal recording, or I basically use my headphones or this mic. What sound quality is better? Let me know in the comments. So now I'm going to go change, but first I'll watch a few YouTube videos as I have a little more time. I have more than 1.5 hour before I leave, so I'll while some time and then we'll get ready, clean my room, and go. I had this cute bottle which I got yesterday. Actually, I had gotten a juice in this and I really liked it, so I decided to decorate it with some markers. And with that, it was time to start cleaning up. So I put on some music, cleaned up my desk, cleared out my bed and everything, and got done and got ready. Having pest control is the second worst thing, but the first worst thing that happens is having pest control in the hostel during winters. Right now it is quite cold, it is 0 degrees right now. I don't know why I haven't worn jacket, but I just wanted to throw the garbage in my room and I'll just go inside. But right now it is so cold that we can't stay outside and we don't really have anywhere else to go. So we are going to go sit in Burger King and while some time over there, and let's see what we do. So I'm almost done. I just need to keep my bedding properly and then I'll be done. Right now it is 8:20. I don't know why I am done with everything. So I'll just rest. So I'm all ready. This is what I'm wearing: a black plain t-shirt and beige cargo pants. So because I have to stay outside for the whole day and that needs to be comfortable, and what is more comfortable than a t-shirt and a baggy pants. So we are finally ready to leave and I'm outside. We have called the cab and let's go. So we have reached our destination. They have also started the Christmas tree decorations. After reaching Burger King, I immediately sat down to study because I knew that if I wouldn't start immediately, I wouldn't study for the whole day and it would be just a waste of time. It's not actually a waste of time by spending some time with your friends, but still you need to be productive when you are in final year and you have to give a competitive exam in almost a year which has 19 subjects. Now I'm quite hungry and also I'm feeling quite sleepy. That is why I also couldn't focus on studying. So I have come here to order a little bit of coffee and some food. So I'll give my order and then collect my food. I couldn't get cold coffee, so I got orange soda because I drink warm coffee.
While eating, I enjoyed with my friends. We talked a lot, had some fun, and also I didn't get coffee because I like the coffee that I make for myself. And by making coffee every day, I have realized that I like my coffee some way and I can't get it outside anywhere.
After eating, I slept and I have just woken up because it's almost time to go. I will do a little bit of shopping, grocery shopping actually, and then we'll leave. So I'll get freshened up and I'll see you then. I'm all done with my shopping. We have done some grocery shopping. Also, we brought some ready to eat stuff like the things that we just need to heat um, before eating because I know after going home I'll have to clean the room. I'll have to mop everything because of the pesticide, and that is why I'm going to get very tired because I haven't had my sleep yesterday night, and because of that I'm feeling tired already. So now, as I'm done with my shopping and we are ready to leave, so I'll see you after I'm home. Bye bye. So I'm finally back home, and now I'll just get changed quickly and mop the room, clean everything up. Right now, this view of my room. So I'll see you in a while. So I'm finally done with cleaning up my room. I've mopped the floor and also set up my bed. Now the only thing remaining is put my groceries in place. But that I'm going to do after a while because of the smell. I am not feeling quite well because my throat has started to close a little bit. So I'm just going to go sit outside for a while, rest, and then come in. But I'm going to end this vlog over here. Today was quite a day. I had slept at 11 o'clock in the morning and I didn't wake up until 2. I did wake up in between, but that was for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then I used to sleep again because I had slept almost after 24 hours. So I was quite sleepy, and even now I feel a little lazy, but the things that are needed to be done are needed to be done. So I'll get these things done and I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye and keep inspiring.